dude. I want it, dude.
I'll help you out.
I want this. I don't know what strings you pull, man. I want this, dude. I want this. If it happens by Saturday, they're telling you can take the bike. It's the M package, and Hockenheim Silver is also there, so it's like a confusion. Hockenheim Silver is for 26, M package for 28. 2 lakhs may get the carbon wheels and battery, and yeah. This is Aditya. You watching That's All. Welcome back to my channel. And we are in Sindhi Colony as always. मैं यहीं से रहता हूँ. And I mean I keep coming here. और गाड़ी की हालत देखो, इट्स नाइस एंड कुप्पा गाड़ी. आफ्टर द ट्रेल्स अपन वॉश नहीं कराए गाड़ी को, तो अभी ये गाड़ी वॉशिंग पे जाने वाली है. यहाँ पे मस्त पनीर डोसा खा लिया. खरी है भाई 70 रुपीज़ में पनीर डोसा. बाबा भाई तब उसका 2 किलो पनीर डाल के देता हूँ उन्हें. अपना ही पट्टा है यार. मस्त रहती बंडी. देखो ये बंडी रत्नदीप के बाजू वाली बंडी है. मस्त रहता एकदम. भैया का टेस्ट, चटनी वट्टी सब, नमक वमक सब ऑल रेट है. ओके. तो गाड़ी में फ्यूल नहीं है और गाड़ी वॉशिंग कराने का है. वॉशिंग तो यहीं है डिटेलिंग डेवल्स, वो नाम था पहले, अब क्या है कि बैगन. तो वहाँ जाए गाड़ी वॉश करा देंगे. 100 रुपये उन्होंने 150 बोलते हैं, लेकिन अपनी गाड़ी देख के 100 कर देते रेट को. तो वहाँ से जाके एक बार गाड़ी वॉश करा के, अब ये गाड़ी ना मैं वॉश कर सकता हूँ, ना मेरा वॉचमैन, ना द गाय हु यूजुअली क्लीन्स माय बाइक. अब वो वॉशिंग बोलते ऊपर से पानी वानी का काम रहता, लेकिन ये वाली वॉशिंग में प्रेशर मारना पड़ता टायर वायर के पास. इतना कुप्पा 200 की क्या 200 kgs मट्टी निकलता. अब वो वॉशिंग सेंटर तो यहाँ राइट पे है, लेकिन आई विल नॉट बी अ छपरी एंड टेक अ राइट एंड टेक अ रॉन्ग साइड. अपन फुल घुमा के आएंगे. तो रेवोल्यूशन डिटेलिंग दिख रहा ये वही छे वो रेवोल्यूशन डिटेलिंग. बाइक वॉश भी करते हैं वो लोग. लो फ्यूल लेवल देख के वो एक्स गर्लफ्रेंड की याद आती है यार. मतलब अपनी गरीबी की याद आती है अपने को. ऑलराइट, लेट्स गो वॉशिंग फर्स्ट.
I'm so in love with the chatter. I'm so in love with my little boo. It was written like a letter. Think I was born with the juice. Think I was born with the sauce. Think I was born a little crazy. Then I turned up to a boss. Gotta go and get it. I keep running up the digits. Lost my mind, I gotta fix it. Kill the beat, cold killing. Need to change the way I'm living. Never sleeping, I'm tripping.
हो गया अपना वॉशिंग हो गई. पहले गाड़ी कुप्पा गलीज थी, अब देखो पूरी क्लीन एंड क्लीन. अब देयर इज़ वन मोर इशू दैट द फ्रंट पैनल्स आर स्टार्टिंग टू पील ऑफ. ये जो स्टिकरिंग किया था हमें बराजनेस का, सी इट्स पीलिंग ऑफ फ्रॉम देयर एंड दी स्मॉल एजेस आर पीलिंग ऑफ. तो इसका रिप्लेसमेंट आ गया मेरे पास. इसको बस लगाने का है. 3M का एक प्राइमर आता है, वो 3M प्राइमर ला के लगाने का है. सो दिस बराजनेस GFX, this is the first bike in Hyderabad. Nobody has done this, so I'm more of an experimenting this product of where it's working in and all. बाकी मुंबई में तो हर जगह it's there only. So let's go. It's clean green now. Mirrors एक बार फिर से एक बार वॉश करा देता हूँ. एक बार वो मिरर्स पे ध्यान नहीं दिए. But yeah, let's meet at the fuel pump, man. Low fuel level. Now the thing about petrol pumps is that, and your bike is that, you should always fuel up at the same petrol pump if you can. Now what that does is, same quality of full fuel is going inside the tank, and you aren't mixing fuels. Now don't get me wrong, but HP का पेट्रोल, BPCL का पेट्रोल, इंडियन ऑयल का पेट्रोल, SR का, शेल का, सबका अलग अलग रहता है ब्रो. सबके ऑक्टेन के लेवल्स अलग रहते हैं. नाउ दिस पेट्रोल इज डिफरेंट दैन द पेट्रोल यू गेट इन सम अदर पंप. सो व्हेन यू फिक्स टू वन पंप ना, बी इट इंडियन ऑयल बी समवेयर, वही पंप में भरा हुआ आप. सो इफ एनीथिंग हैपेंस टू योर बाइक, यू नो दैट इफ पेट्रोल इज द इशू और योर बाइक इज द इशू. व्हेन यू गो थ्रू अ लॉट ऑफ पेट्रोल पंप्स ना, यू डोंट रिमेंबर कब कौन सा डाला है. इमरजेंसी है तो इट्स फाइन, बट देन maximum times try and make sure that you go to the same pump that you go. And also हवा भी check करा लो, like that's like a thing. XP95 का पाल full tank. ఇది ఈ బండికి ఇది అప్పుడు బండి తీసుకొస్తా కొన్ని రోజుల తర్వాత ఆ బండికి అది ఎత్తుకొని నెమ్మది మన జీవితమే జీరో అయిపోయింది. ఇంకా ఏందన్నా అన్నా తక్కువ చేయి అంటే పెంచుతున్నాం. ఏందన్నా 105 ఉండే మంచిగా ఫుల్ ట్యాంక్ కొట్టుకుండా కొడుతుండే. 6 చేసినావు, మళ్ళీ 7 చేసినావు, మళ్ళీ 8 అయింది. రేపు వస్తే మళ్ళీ 109 చేస్తావు. ఇంకా బతకని మమ్మల్ని, చిన్నపిల్లల్ని, స్టూడెంట్స్ని. ఏంది మానేస్తా ఇంకా బండి నడపడం. వాకింగ్ వస్తా పెట్రోల్ పంప్కి. అన్నా బాగున్నా అన్నా, చాలా తాగుతామన్నా దాని. ఒకప్పుడు 1000 రూపాయల ఫుల్ ట్యాంక్, ఇంకొకప్పుడు 1200, ఇప్పుడు 1500 వేసా ఫుల్ ట్యాంక్ అయితే లేదు. గూగుల్ పే పేటిఎం ఉంది కదా, లోపల నాకు చెప్పి స్కాన్ చేసి ఇస్తాలే అన్న. బ్రో, I've seen a lot of Discoveries and Land Rovers, but this is something unique, man. Discovery 4, it seems. Yeah, it's pretty. I mean, I've seen new Discoveries also, but then this one is pretty good. Like, an AP number, you know, man. Like, it's been around for a lot of time. Anyways, we are at GVK Mall, Hard Rock, and all the GVK. आशिकों का अड्डा एक टाइम पे. So we were thinking, where am I going right now and what am I doing today? So today is a Monday and I don't know when this video will come out because we are too busy. So today's agenda is to go to GSP Motorrad. Yeah, you heard me right, GSP Motorrad. That's the BMW showroom here in Hyderabad. It's in अब लोकेशन कैसा समझाऊँ आप लोगों को मैं, बंजारा में है. अब कहाँ है बोल तो वो रोड का नाम मेरे को नहीं मालूम, लेकिन KBR के डाउन में कहाँ है भाई. लाइक आई कैन नॉट एक्सप्लेन यू द एग्जैक्ट थिंग, बट I'll take you there. तो यहाँ से प्लान यही है कि going to GSP and talking about a few bikes or a bike. And yeah, I'm gonna meet Maulit Anna there. I've been in communication with him and talking here and there about some things. And now I'm gonna go visit the showroom and see if they have what I want and for how much do they have it, and if it's feasible and if I can actually make some decisions. I'll give you a good news very soon then. So let's go, let's get there and let's continue the conversation there. So this area is called अपना ये GVK के आगे वाला, oh Mini Cooper. That's also owned by BMW, by the way. Mini is owned by BMW. So anyways, अभी यहाँ से जाएंगे अपन GSP Motorrad and we'll continue the conversation there. Hello Audi Q5, Q7, Q3. Alright, let's go. Signal green हो गया. चलो. So yeah, there's Eagle Boys here. I remember one day when I went to Premanna's house, I did a whole cycling event and shit, and yeah. Yeah, रख सकते. Yeah, so welcome to GSP Motorrad, also Cafe Marca if you want to call that. But yeah, let's go inside, let's meet the man himself, Maulit, and let's talk some business now. So yeah, first focus. So here we are at GSP and you can see the Beamer behind me, there's a Beamer behind me, there are Beamers all over, and there is a Beamer right there somewhere, that's the S1000. So the scene here is that I spoke to the persons and financing हो रहा थे. Now वो हो रहा नहीं हो रहा, it's through BMW financials. ये वाला. So the issue is that it again comes to ITRs and all, it's all in the paperwork. So I hope it happens. If it happens by Saturday, they're telling you can take the bike. It's the M package, and Hoggram Silver is also there, so it's like a confusion. Hoggram Silver is for 26, M package for 28. 2 lakhs may get the carbon wheels and battery, and yeah. The only issue is that financing documentation is like becoming that small kind of hiccup. But then there are people here and I know friends and like they're talking that ITR देने से हो जाना चाहिए. अगर नहीं हुआ तो then we have to do some co-applicant and all that. That's like paperwork. So today is Monday. By Friday I'll get the approval if it's a yes or a no, and if it's a no then let's not think about the no, ठीक है. So the bike I'm talking about is BMW S1000 RR. अब मेरी गाड़ी तो इधर नहीं है because I haven't booked the bike and all. So अभी देना 1 लाख रुपए देना पड़ता booking amount. So you pay that 1 lakh and then they book the bike for you. But the bike is ready. I've seen the bike. It's नीचे पड़ी हुई है. But again, formalities, dude. That 1 lakh ka. So that's gonna happen right now. And then by Friday I'll get the approval if I get it. If not, then we'll think about something else. So I'll show you the showroom around, and this is JSP Motorrad.
Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Okay, I'ma hit for 20 off a laptop. In a Zoom meeting, making money is my backdrop. Ballpoint base hit harder than a slap shot. Flew up my baby, told her run me like I'm Epcot.
So yeah, that is it. We had a chat with Maulit Anna inside, and he said that they're gonna process the loan from tomorrow, apply for it. I mean, कुछ 3-4 दिन लगते कहते हैं फाइनेंसेस करने के लिए. So they're asking couple of paperwork like ITR, PAN card, Aadhaar card and all that. So वो सबमिट करना है सॉफ्ट कॉपीज उनको. थोड़े पेपर्स तो मैं दे दिया, थोड़े से और देने का है. सो आई चेक माई बाइक, दे हैव इट इन स्टॉक, दी S1000RR. वो हॉकनैम सिल्वर है, बट द एम पैकेज इज डाउनस्टेयर्स. दे हैव इट इन स्टॉक बट दे हैवंट पुट इन डिस्प्ले. दिस इज GSP मोटर रॉड एंड दैट इज कैफे मौका. ये संदीपाना का है. संदीप, दिस इज कैफे मौका अगेन. या वी लिविंग फ्रॉम हियर. दैट्स व्हाट इट इज. दैट व्हाट इज ऑलवेज हैज बीन a dream to buy the S1000RR and the dream is Sunny Mandava Anna का है वो. Sunny, if I'm pronouncing that name right, but if I'm not, I'm sorry Anna. उनका ही है कैफे मौका. Or any choice, let's go BMW. I'll see you on Saturday to pick up my bike if everything goes well. But any which ways, you get the clarity in life, dude, like how things work and how. अब मैं 4 साल, dude, it's been like a relationship between me and the bike for 4 years and it's been ups and downs. It's a yes, it's a no, it's a yes, it's a no, but then now it's a yes. And welcome to Ceramic Pro. अब ये normal है and there's a headquarters there, there's a Lambo inside. और आगे headquarters भी है. Ceramic Pro का headquarters is and there's Starbucks also here. But yeah, I'll tell you the bottom line what it is. Like what we had a conversation for an hour and what is the result of that conversation is. अब देखो clarity में वो लोग मेरे को बोल दिए कि सी आपके केस में क्या है, we need ITR, we need some co-applicants and अगर वो हो जाता तो then you can pay a down payment. अभी गाड़ी 28.56 की है. 28 lakhs 29 पकड़ लो राउंड फिगर, नहीं तो 28 पकड़ लो. चलो फॉर द सेक ऑफ इट वील अज्यूम दैट बाइक्स आर 28 lakhs. और अगर आप 5-6 लाख भी अगर आप डाउन पेमेंट डालते हो, 5 इज़ लाइक द मिनिमम. अगर आपके ITR अच्छे हैं तो आप और कम कर सकते हैं, लेकिन मेरे उतने खास नहीं है ITR, टू बी रियली ऑनेस्ट विद यू. सो मेरे को थोड़ा डाउन पेमेंट ज़्यादा करना पड़ता, 5 to 6 lakhs एंड दे ओनली टेक 2 lakhs इन कैश. बाकी बैंक ट्रांसफर मारना पड़ता. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट एन इशू, बट द इशू इज़ दैट द अप्रूवल ऑफ द लोन. तो अगर Starbucks इज़ हियर, all Audi Porsches will come here. So अगर लोन अप्रूव हो जाता है, it'll take like 4 days to like do the filing application and all that. अगर लोन अप्रूव हो गया तो Friday he'll give me a call and say that the loan is approved and the money is disbursed. और वो मेरे अकाउंट में नहीं आते पैसे, वो उनके अकाउंट में रहते हैं. I have to pay them in EMI basis. और वो EMI can be 37,000 or 40,000, 45,000 जो भी है. It depends on the loan amount and depends how much they are disbursing. There's Lexus also here. Yeah, Bubbles भी है. Bubbles is again a hair saloon and that's Lexus showroom. If you want to buy a Lexus, LFA, LFS, LFC, I don't know about the malls they have in Lexus man. LFA तो है. So यहाँ आपका Lexus showroom भी है. If you want to buy a Lexus in Hyderabad, you can get a Lexus as well. Here we go, Lexus RX 450h, ES 300h. Those are 2 models. So yeah, that's the bottom line. और अगर लोन अप्रूव हो गया फ्राइडे को, I'll get a call and Saturday I can pick up the bike. Saturday is the earliest I can pick up the bike, or he's saying Monday. I'm telling me my friends will be free on Saturday. तो अगर कुछ गेट टुगेदर पार्टी करना है तो Saturday को I can call a couple of my friends to the showroom. बाहर कैफ़े कैसा भी है, so we can have a nice time there. But yes, this is if everything goes well, but we should think about the negatives as well. अगर if everything doesn't go well, then I have to see something else. फिर वो applicant लगाना पड़ता loan process में, like some, that's another thing. This is the headquarters of Ceramic. You can see Mercs and all, Volvo. Oh, this is the new Defender. मैं पहले old Defender दिखा था ना. This is the new Defender. See, this is the new one. Okay. ये क्या है? अब भी BMW शोरूम से फिर यहाँ BMW शोरूम आ गया. नहीं आ रहा हूँ, ये कार का है. दिस इज़ नॉट JSP, दिस इज़ कुन एक्सक्लूसिव है ये. तो ये कारों का BMW है, ये वो कारों का है. आपको कार लेने का BMW तो यहाँ पे आना, आपको बाइक लेना है तो JSP जाना. सो तो ओ बेंटे का है ना. लेकिन कारों के मॉडलों का उतना नहीं हो भाई. असद भाई को मालूम, कारां पूरे, हमको बाइक पूछो आप. ओके, सो दैट्स द थिंग, दैट्स द बॉटम लाइन. In one sentence, loan approval Friday, bike delivery Saturday. Loan not approval Friday, attach another co-applicant Friday. Loan approval next week, delivery next week. और अगर ये दोनों भी नहीं हुआ तो let's not think about that. Let's think about the positive only. So this is Aditya. You're watching Deets World, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, why drop F-bombs when you got rev bombs? Alright, take care, bye bye, and I hope to see you soon with the new dash. With the BMW S1000RR dash. Let's hope. अब आप लोग प्रे करो कि ये हो जाना. हो गया तो well and good, नहीं हुआ तो भी well and good. I'll buy it next year then. Anyways, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye, take care, like, share, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.
You, but you can't buy the swag. No Miris, those foo-foo, I can see the tag. You can bet if I spending this cause I get it back. I'm 5G, your dollar, I can see the lag. All I ever wanted was to have it all. Got close, never froze.